Hello, y'all. Hello. This is Mike from Mike's Magic Resto Detailing here in a sunny, nice day in Sharpsburg, Georgia. I'm working on this truck still for a customer and finished strip washing it and chemically decontaminating it. Now I'm working on mechanically decontaminating. The chemical is a chemical you spray on, let it dwell, rinse it off, and mechanical is using a clay bar. After that strip wash yesterday and the chemical decon, it looks pretty clean, doesn't it? Pretty clean. A few water spots here and there from my washing yesterday because I didn't dry it off, but that's okay. So what I did was clay bar just this little section right here. Now there's a brand new clean piece of clay bar, and I'm using a mild grade on this paint because I think it'll be sufficient. And here's the piece of clay bar I just used. Look at all that gunk that came off of this clean looking paint. If you're going to be polishing, especially blah blah blah, or putting protection on your paint after you finish, it is pretty critical you do this. Otherwise you're going to pick up all this in your polishing pads, which is going to cause probably some scratching, and it's going to gunk up your polishing pad very quickly. Nasty stuff. And it's going to cause some scratching probably that you're trying to take out. Now this clay bar is abrasive, so I'm not sure I would suggest this unless you're going to be polishing afterwards. I don't know if y'all could pick it up, but look at all the scratching in this paint. Holy moly. That's all previous scratching, and I could feel this, and it's still got some rough spots. I'm not sure. I don't think that's contaminants at this point. It's probably just nibs in the paint because this is an aftermarket paint job. But I could tell you these are not from my clay bar because all my clay bar is in straight line and in a cross hatch. These are not straight line scratches. Very few of them. And it is my guess, ladies and gentlemen, that this came from a tunnel car wash, or commercial car wash as we call it, or some improper car washing methods by the owner. Not necessarily this owner, because the owner just bought this truck. It doesn't even have tags on it yet. Anyway, folks, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, and all that stuff. And keep up with what goes on with this truck. Bye now.